Unlimited metered paint delivery underwater. This method delivers huge efficiencies and covers a vaster surface area for spreading protective coatings underwater. Cactus Industrial recently teamed up with Shearwater Marine, a commercial diving company, to put our high-performance subsea technologies to the test with the aim of advancing current underwater application methods for our customers in the defence sectors and civilian sectors. Stage 1 is surface preparation with our subsea bristle blaster, generating an anchor profile up to 120 microns in the splash zone and up to 50 microns subsea. It has already been approved by some of Cactus Industrial's biggest clients, as it gives the best surface profile and delivers the best adhesion underwater. Once prepped, the new method of underwater coating application was trialled. This is a high pressure plural spray unit. It has the ability to mix and heat coating parts A and B as well as the delivery lines independently. This unit allows the operator above the water to adjust the coating's viscosity, temperature and rate of delivery to the application gun, as well as add more product as required. This method allows the underwater applicator to apply the protective coating to a vaster underwater surface area at a more efficient speed, and doesn't require the divers to return to the surface. Following trial and error, this initial testing was deemed extremely positive in terms of speed, application and even the aesthetics. This method could save dry docking time significantly and in turn deliver financial savings. For more information on Cactus Industrial's high performance, highly efficient underwater technologies, follow us for more.